On Thursday, I announced that the autumn term in Wales will start on Tuesday, September 1st. I've been able to make that decision based on the latest scientific advice available to me. I wanted to explain what that scientific advice tells me and what it means for schools in September. The Welsh Technical Advisory Group, who provide scientific advice to government during emergencies, recommends that schools plan to open in September with 100% of pupils physically present on school sites, subject to a continuing steady decline in the presence of COVID-19 in the community. Schools will return to full capacity with little social distancing within contact groups. At full operation, a contact group should consist of around 30 children. Some direct or indirect mixing between children in different contact groups will of course be unavoidable. And in these circumstances, schools should minimise the risk of transmission based on guidance. Social distancing for adults should remain in line with the current guidance. Every school should continue to be COVID protected, having carried out risk assessments and mitigated them with a combination of controls such as hand and surface hygiene, one-way systems and so forth. If early warning information shows a local incident or outbreak, then nearby schools should implement appropriate restriction measures. Full and updated operational and learning guidance for September will be published next week.